So let's start by making like a start menu basically. So what you want to do is you want to add a new layout. Make sure to add event tree as well. Let's rename this like start menu or some shit like that. Start menu. So that's a start menu. Let's put that in front right here. Okay, that's good. Make sure to put out the event tree too. Okay, so for start menu, this is what the screen looks, right? So let's, I don't know, something simple. Let's add a text. Text, insert. Let's name this game Epic Mario Game. No, Epic Mario Game, and let's make this like way bigger. Let's do around like 50 or some shit like that. Okay, 50. Epic Mario Game. Yeah, this is a game title. And next, you could do Sprite. Well, there's two different options for this either way. Actually, since you knew, I might as well do button instead. It's two button. Okay, so button. Okay, button. This is the button. This is another way to make this so you could customize your start button, but that's honestly too much for me to explain. I'll show you eventually. So let's do start. Boom. Start. It's a start button. Okay. So here's the thing. When you click this, it's a start button, right? If it'll load. Okay, yeah. So when you click this, nothing happens, right? So what you want to do is you want to go to the event sheet, add an event. So on button, this is button 1 or button 2? This is button 2. Let's rename this start button. Okay. So on where are you? Start button on clicked. So once you clicked it, let's say system, go to layout game. So this is the game layout. It's a separate layout from that. So if the button is clicked, the system goes to the next game. So what that does is, say you have this button, right? You click it, that just loads to the next layout, which is the game, obviously, right? And let's say, uh, let me lose on purpose or something. Right here. Okay, so this is the death screen, right? It's basically the same concept. So for the game, you die when you touch this, and you die when you touch the Goomba, right? So for the event sheet, on collision with this, you go to another layout, which is the death screen. So you make a separate layout for this, right? And on collision to Goomba, you go to the death screen, same thing. And then you add another button here, which is the try again button. And it's the same concept. So button on clicked, go to the game. It's really simple. So let me just show you the whole thing. Start menu, it will load. I think Lazinski probably showed you the same thing where if you win, you go to the next layup. I'm not sure if he did. Yep, there you go. He takes damage. Yeah, whatever. Okay, let's die. You died. Try again. Same thing. You could do like save points if you want, but that's honestly something you have to worry about later because I'm not doing all that demo and shit. Yeah, so really easy.